Okay, now we're going to talk about the multiplication rules for probability. And in this example, we have my son's piggy bank that has 14 quarters, 8 dimes, 16 nickels, 12 pennies, for a total of, what's that, 22 and 50 coins? 50 coins. And we want to know, we're going to pick out consecutive coins, and let me write this down. The probability of an event A and B happening is the probability of A times the probability of B. And we want to find out what's the probability of choosing a quarter and a dime with replacement. Probability of quarter and dime. And then we'll do it again without replacement, just to show you the difference. Okay, here we go. So we want to know what's the probability of choosing a quarter and a dime. We can see from this formula here, it's the probability of quarter and a dime is the probability of choosing the quarter times the probability of choosing the dime. The probability of choosing the quarter is 14 over the sample space of 50, so 14 over 50. And multiplied by, so what's it, the probability of a dime right here? 8 over 50. No, I'll do the multiplication ahead now, so let me cheat on this. This equals, these reduced to 14 over 50 would reduce to 7 over 25 times, what's that, 4 over 25? And that equals 7 times 4 is 28 over 625. And let me give you the decimal representation of that just so we can compare these two. That is 0.04 if you use your calculator. So the probability of choosing a quarter and a dime with replacement. In other words, we choose the quarter, 14 out of 50, we put the quarter back in, and then we choose the dime. So each time there's still 50 coins in the bank. And the probability of that happening looks just a little over 4.5%, 0.0457. Now what happens if we choose the first coin and don't replace it, and then choose the second coin? The probability of a quarter is going to be the same, 14 quarters, 50 coins. 14, 50 times. Now the difference comes with the second coin. There are still 8 dimes, correct? But how many total coins are now in the piggy bank? We took a quarter out, so we now have 49 coins. So this is without replacing the coin. And let me simplify this one. This all boils down to 56 over 1,225, just multiplying it out, which is 0.04. Let's see, I get these mixed up. This one up here is 0.448, and this one's 0.457. So with replacement, the probability is 0.0448, and without replacement is 0.547. So your chances are a little better without replacement because you're eliminating one coin in the second draw. And that's how we use our multiplication rule for independent events.